They have a one road I saw yesterday. No, when some people go there with the dog, like a park. I wanna see what's there actually. Wait. Thief, please. Oh, how nice this tree.
Watch the car coming.
Yeah, there are a lot of cars here, and some of them are very fast. Look at how flower there. Keep offside sand dunes. What does it mean, sand dunes?
Hills of sand.
Look at how nice is it here, yeah? This one. Here, what's it? They're like flowers, and look at. Ah, wait. Look at them, this flower, yeah? Huh. Interesting. You see like this flower before?
Yeah.
Wow. Huh. Oh, how I love those bushes, palm, or how am I supposed to call them? See here some sidewalk. No, but this is place unique with this tree. You know, maybe they're not so fancy luxury, but man, it's so beautiful. I don't know, it's amazing plant. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
Actually, they're not very cheap. Yeah, consider. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Wow, look at how trail nice. Oh my god. Look at how nice. I saw people walk here, so it's kind of very interesting. We needed the picture. Nice trail. Oh, look at the tree grow from different leaves grow from tree.
Yeah, vines growing up.
Nice vines. How I love this. I don't know. This is my favorite. This green.
I like it.
Yeah. How they call? Maybe people. I know they very huge will grow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and this one looks like big. Yeah. Leaves. Look at.
Mm-hmm. Now look at this one here. All the ferns growing off of this one.
Oh yeah. Interesting. Oh, look at this too. Wow. Nice.
All court.
I don't know this game. Oh my god, how I love this tree. How they amazing. Like from fairy tale, you know? Serious, this is like from fairy tale, you know, the usual plant. The usual wow. It's just. Oh, look at there. But where you need to bring bike, yeah?
Yeah.
I love those three. It's just unbelievable. I don't know, it's just wow. God. It's just. If we should know the names.
Alright, these are townhomes or
Oh
condos?
my God, look at. How it's possible for tree be like this? Wow. And no windy here actually.
No.
They protect from
All the
wind.
trees, see?
Yeah, they protect from wind. Huh. Oh my God. It's more here. I need a kind of water. Oh my God. My God, who did like this? Oh my God. It just. It's good what we find this rose. Wait, who is it there? What is it? Lizards or snake? How beautiful was red, yeah? Contrast. Wait, who is it? You hear it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a squirrel? Or who? Or it's just tree?
It could be the tree.
Why somebody barbecue cook? What? Tiffany, don't touch anything. No, it's some animal. It's some birds. Maybe it would pecker.
Maybe.
Oh my gosh. How beautiful. No, it's a bird.
Yeah, it's interesting. He takes care of all this.
I think not too, Robert. I'm kind of little people. Some people, yeah. God. I wanna like this too. Так, let's take it our bike from storage. Serious. No, serious. Look how many of them. Yeah, it's questions they themselves. I hear what some people say that they themselves like grow, but I still think maybe somebody plant them or maybe they're produced them. I don't know, because look at how many of them. Maybe they are Like, I mean, I'm sure originally somebody planned this everything because they did road. Oh, some tree broke it. Look at what's happened with the tree. What's there? What you saw? Or maybe somebody play.
Oh yeah, people are playing tennis maybe?
Mm-hmm. Ocean or where?
This doesn't go to the ocean.
Oh, no, you can go like this and you can go on ocean. I'm sure they have a access or entrance. They have to, it's everything connected. No, Robert, we need to bring bike here. I think if we go there, we can come to the ocean, I'm sure. Look how nice rocks here. Wow. So nice. Look at how it's like, yeah. Guys, me to go first. I think there. What's here? Tiffany, move, please.
This is shuffleboard.
So they don't have an entrance there. Oh. Wait. Oh. It's like more greenish or look at how it's windy. And cold. I am on the cold. I'm sure. So they don't did my video. Serious, how it's windy. Even hands show how. No, it's not cold, but crazy windy. Crazy.